We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can reset Apple Music. So to start, you will need to launch these settings on your iPhone, then enter the general category. Here go for the iPhone storage, or if you have an iPad storage in your case. Then at the list of apps, find the music app, open it, tap at the delete app button, confirm this, and as you can see, all the information that was stored on this iPhone has been reset. So now all that you gotta do is to, launch the App Store and download the Apple Music app once again. Here it is. So download this app, sign into your account, and that'll be it. So I guess thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your attention, and bye bye.